Welcome to the latest update program. In this series, we will discuss what is juice jacking scam. Recently, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team issued a warning regarding the potential misuse of public charging ports found in locations like cafes, hotels, and airports by cybercriminals. Termed juice jacking, this technique enables hackers to clandestinely pilfer sensitive data or implant malicious software onto the devices of unsuspecting users. When individuals connect their gadgets to compromised ports, they expose themselves to potential data theft, malware installation, or device takeover. To mitigate the risk posed by such nefarious activities, authorities have recommended several proactive measures for public awareness and protection. Citizens are encouraged to prioritize the use of traditional electrical outlets whenever possible, or alternatively carry their own charging cables or power banks to circumvent reliance on public USB stations. Additionally, individuals are advised to bolster the security of their devices by implementing PIN or password locks and exercising caution when pairing with unfamiliar or untrusted devices. Charging devices while powered off is also recommended to reduce exposure to external threats and minimize the likelihood of cyber attacks. Furthermore, maintaining up-to-date software on smartphones is emphasized as essential for patching security vulnerabilities and fortifying defenses against emerging threats. Consideration is also given to the installation of malware or virus detection software as an added layer of protection against malicious attacks. Now is the time for practice question. What is juice jacking? Stealing fruit juice, cyber criminals exploiting public charging ports, a new smartphone model, or installing antivirus software? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.